Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn print culture and the modern world together, step by step. Welcome. I am Vidya. In this chapter, we learn how print technology developed, how it spread ideas across the world, and how it shaped society in India. The earliest print technology was developed in China, Japan, and Korea using hand printing from carved wooden blocks. This allowed books to be reproduced far more quickly than copying by hand. Around 1450, Johann Gutenberg in Germany built the first printing press using movable metal type. His printed Bible launched the print revolution in Europe, making books cheaper and more widely available. Print spread new ideas rapidly. It fueled the Protestant Reformation and encouraged public debate and reading. Rulers and the church feared that printed criticism could undermine their authority. Printing came to India through Portuguese missionaries in Goa. By the 19th century, newspapers and books spread, helping reformers debate social issues and giving a voice to nationalist and social movements. To recap, print culture began in East Asia and was transformed by Gutenberg's press in Europe. It spread ideas, sparked reform and debate, and in India became a powerful tool for change. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.